Good morning, everyone. Today I am extended to present a project we've been developing called the P Advertising. Project description. The project is to transition our company to inconfidential printing process and launch a new online ordering system. The main goal is to attract environmentally conscious customers and improve our operational efficiency. Current and Shelby's present project. So far, we have made significant progress with all the resources and reliable supplier for water-based inks, and the team has successfully installed the new printing equipment. We have also completed the beta versions of the online platform. Previous actions past perfect. Before we start this initiative, the company have strongly wide operational costs due to chemical-based inks. Furthermore, we had lost potential consumers because we didn't have a modern way to take online orders. Specific simple paths. To address this news, we start the project in January. The technical team recent new technologies during the first month. Then we train our employers on the new equipment in March, and when developers launch the test size last month. Expect consequences. Now looking to the futures, if we launch the marketing competing nets, we will reach a larger audience. Also, if our consumers respond well to the eco-friendly products, our sales will increase by at least 20% this year. Conditionals, of course, there are always things we could reflect on. For example, if we have a burger workday, we do add more customized features to the website right now. Also, if knew about this uncomfortably links before we had made it the change a long time. Conclusions, the paid advertising initiative is crucial still for our company growth and sustainability. Seeing you for your time. Thank you.